Hey you guys, welcome back to the show. Today I had a comment the other day when I did my video on Wealthfront dropping their interest rate from 2.32% down to 2.07%. Harrison Live 05 commented that he was getting 2.42% on Vio Bank. Now I had never heard of Vio Bank, so I decided that I would take a look and see what that was all about. So here we are at their website. It says their high yield online savings account is giving 2.42% APY on all balances. Looks like flexibility to grow your money when access is needed. FDI insured up to $250,000, so that's pretty standard. Only $100 minimum to open an account, so a good place to start if you don't have a lot of money. 6 free withdrawals per monthly statement. Now, you guys, with online banks, the limit of 6 is pretty common. Ally does the same thing. Pretty much all the ones that I've looked into, if it's an online savings account, and I don't know if that's a rule for the banks or what, but it seems to be pretty common. And no monthly fees. About the savings account. Opting for an online savings account means all of your account services are online and aren't tied to a physical banking branch. Typically, these accounts can offer higher returns and are very easy to open online. So let's see, start saving today. Open a new account in less than 5 minutes. You'll just need your social security number, a driver's license, and a mailing address. And if you want help, you can call the number. Looks like it's in Central Time Zone. So let's go back here. Let's look. Why Vio Bank? Let's find out a little bit about this bank. All right, so Vio Bank is the online bank division of one of the largest privately owned banks in the United States and a member of the FDIC. Let's look at their online banking. Online banking. Free service to Vio Bank account holders. View detailed real-time account information. Search your transaction history. View and print e-statements, e-notices, and e-tax forms. That's important for keeping track of your interest at the end of the year. Send secure emails to the bank. Make transfers between your Vio Bank accounts and outside accounts. Receive email or text message alerts regarding status of your account. And you can download into Quicken at the end of the year. So pretty standard stuff. Let's look at their mobile banking. Do they have an app? Yes. Access your account from anywhere, anytime on the Vio Bank app for iPad, iPhone, Android, and tablets. Free with your account. You can view current information, including balances and transaction history, transfer funds, So the standard stuff you could do with an app. Let's see some of our frequently asked questions. Who is Vio Bank? So Vio Bank is a division of MidFirst Bank and has assets of about $19 billion. One of the largest privately owned banks in the nation. Okay. Looks like you have a link to verify the FDIC insurance. Limits on transfers. We currently have a $25,000 daily limit and a $100,000 monthly limit on all external funds transfers initiated by Vio Bank through an online platform. Does not limit the amount of incoming and outgoing ACH transfers initiated by a third-party service or another financial institution. So let's see. When should I expect my ACH deposit to become available? Typically, they place a hold on the deposits for 5 business days. So this is something to think about, you guys. It's not going to be a really super quick in and out. During that period, you will see your deposit within the banking online or on the app, but won't be able to transfer it out until the period ends. Gives you the routing number. What do you need to get started? To access the Vio Bank online banking service, you'll need internet access, a browser capable of 128-bit encryption, and it's highly recommended to use a current version of an accepted browser. It's got a list. Okay. Does it cost anything to use our online banking or mobile apps? No, online banking and the mobile app are free to customers. Please note you will need to enroll in online banking to access mobile banking. Well, that makes sense. It's an online bank. Anyway, I'd like to thank Harrison Live 05 for giving me the information about Vio Bank. I would wonder, however, how long the 2.42% is going to last, being that the Fed keeps dropping the rate. But it's something to think about, you guys. And I didn't know about it, so when he mentioned it, I thought I would do a quick video on it. All right. Thanks for checking out. I hope you got something out of it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll make another video here in a couple of days. All right. Thanks a lot. Bye.